Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again. I know I look a bit shiny, but it's because I have a bunch of sunscreen on. I'm about to head out. I'm not sure what this vlog is going to be about. I'm totally out of ideas, but I thought I'd shoot it anyways and see where it takes me. Yeah, so right now I am about to head to a yoga class outdoor. Lululemon's been hosting this yoga class outdoor for free all summer, and I haven't been able to go, and today being August 31st is their last class, so I have to make time to go. So I'm going there, so and I'll take you guys with me. Let's go. So I think I finally arrived at the park. I think that's the park where the yoga is gonna happen. You can see there's a bunch of people there already. This is so cool.
Hips up to the sky, up, 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 finding a nice back bend. Your palms can stay down, your feet are on the ground, you're lifting your hips up. Now you can stay here. Then bring the soles of the feet down to the mat, hip width distance in parallel. Fingertips reach towards the front of the room. Thank yourself for showing up today, for taking some time. Every cell in your body, feel yourself expand. Take one more big breath in, and then so slowly start to
Just finished my yoga class. It was so good. I'm so grateful to have had the chance to go to this free yoga class in a beautiful park under this big blue sky and with the birds and a nice breeze. I'm so grateful to have had that chance. And I got free snacks. So I guess I'm just counting my blessings. Just finished the yoga class. It was so good. I'm so grateful to have this chance that I got to go to a free yoga class outside under this beautiful sky and the sun, and it was perfect. It was so peaceful, and I got free snacks. So yeah, I'm so lucky. Just counting my blessings, I guess. These two girls are here with me, and we are gonna enjoy some ramen. Excited? Yeah. You guys mix the chutney at once?
Yeah. Are we supposed to?
Or I just use it one at a time.
Oh shit, I mixed it.
This might be good on your tonsils. Out and about touring the city. I'm their tour guide for today. The famous steam clock. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists gathered around here. We are going to North Vancouver and taking the sea bus. Hello everyone, so we are now in North Vancouver at Lonsdale Quay, and we're just gonna enjoy a nice coffee here with the ocean view overlooking the entire city of Vancouver. And so yeah, we're just gonna have coffee here, and then that's the view of the entire city, the sea bus that we just rode. It's such a beautiful day. There's another what do you call those, cruise here. It is now lunchtime and we are going to have Chipotle.
Excited.
Look at that. How is it?
Oh, it's spicy.
It's good.
I love bone sauce. Oh, it's yummy though. This is Mexican, right?
Yeah, this is my food. Chipotle. I'm so excited. So good. And now we came to an art gallery. It's called Moon and Black Art Gallery. So you can already see a little preview of it in the back, but I'll show you guys more. It's a pretty cool gallery. Whoa. Cool. This room is pretty cool. It has different lightings and changes color. So the first room, as you saw, was just full of light, and the second room is a floral room, and it's so pretty. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I love these decorations. Dreamer, good vibes only. Yes, agreed.
I want to be on here.
Wow, look at this one. This is sick.
Hola. It's like a club. What's happening?
You ready? Can I go?
Yeah.
Whoa, it changes color.
Oh, turn around. The gray one's sick. Oh, that's sick.
So this is the other room. I'm not gonna go in because I have shoes on and it says not allowed with shoes, but it's pretty cool. All right, on to the next one. This is the other wall. It's so cool. This is the wow.
I liked when the fire one was cooler.
Oh shoot. That's so cool.
The fire one was sick.
All right, let's see what's up next. Heartbreaker. Interesting. Whoa. Sick. It's like a upside down sideway office. All right, this is the next one. Wow. So this is it. This is the entire gallery. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.